and you'll excuse me if I am out of breath. A bulletin. This is from the United Press in Dallas.
Who were with President Kennedy say he is dead.
Well, I said the same thing that everybody says, that his assassination was the result of the climate of hate. But only I said the chickens came home to roost.
Shocked at hearing of the strike end of our president.
For the past 90 days, because of some statements I made concerning the President of the United States, which were distorted.
Alright, let me explain this as simple as possible. Malcolm X will become an international figure after these events took place. Each event was a pivotal point for Malcolm X to become a revolutionary. Let's get the facts straight. The media during that time didn't do a great job, so it's upon us to dissect these events and understand Malcolm X's actions. I want to start with understanding the phrase, "the chicken are coming home to roost." What did it mean? Instead of seeing this remark as an insult to Kennedy's assassination, what led Malcolm X to make that remark? One's previous action will eventually have consequences or cause problems to oneself.